So if you have a dictionary and you want to remove some items for that, you can use the pop function. So let's say I want to remove the key value pair from my dictionary that has the color key. So in other words, I want to remove this key value pair. So for that, I'm going to use the fruit dictionary.pop, and then I'm going to pass the key of what I want to be removed. So now if I display the dictionary, you're going to see that the color is now gone. The cool thing about the pop is that it also returns the value of whatever you're popping. So in this case here, I'm popping the color, so you return the yellow for me. So I'm going to put a variable right here, value equals the dictionary.pop, and then if I display the value here, you're going to see that this display yellow. So display the yellow here, and then after that the color and the yellow are gone from the dictionary. So not only deletes but also returns the value for you. So the other way to pop something is by using the pop item function. And for the pop item function, I do not need to use anything as a parameter. It will pop only the last item from your dictionary, and it will return the key value pair. So now when you use the pop, it only returns the value from that key. When you use pop item, it returns both key and the value. So let me run this program. So here returns the key and the value, and then removes that from the dictionary, and then I display the dictionary right here. All right, so the other way to do that is to use the word del. So I can put del here for delete, and then here I need to pass a key. So I'm gonna remove the fruit key this time. And then here you see that the fruit is gone. Now, if you forget to pass the key right here on your delete, then your entire dictionary will be destroyed. So now it's going to give me an error because it doesn't exist. So there's a difference between removing all items and completely destroying the dictionary. So this way here, you will destroy the dictionary. If you just want to clear all items, you're going to have to use the clear function, and that will remove all items, and you're going to be left with an empty dictionary. The dictionary still exists, but it's going to be empty. All right, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.